Hi Geminis, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of today to understand the energies that are around you. I divinated for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign and Venus sign, and also the Geminis who are identified by the tarot decks. Whenever they are either identified by the major arcana lovers card, or they are identified by the magician, or they are identified by king of swords, queen of swords, knight of swords, so air energy court cards. So basically any tarot reader would know what you are. So I am divinating for those people who are identified as Geminis. So what is on your mind? On your mind, the first card that fell out for you is the Ten of Wands. This is, you feel crushed under responsibilities. You feel that you are carrying lot of burdens. You feel that you have come a long way regarding a relationship or regarding a job. You have been working very hard, and the time has come to release these burdens, because the cycle seems like that it is ending. So that is on your mind, because a new idea or new situation of growth is coming in for many of you. New opportunity is coming in terms of love. A new love or passion is developing. So the Ten of Wands, which is carrying on for a long time, is now ending. It is going to be released. The burdens that of the past will be released, and this Ace of Wands is clarified by Ace of Wands. So definite situation of growth, new beginning, new innovation, new ideas are coming in, new passion coming in. So what's happening is, in these next 10 days, judgment taking place and walking away taking place, moving on taking place. So anything that disillusions you, that disenchants you, that makes you unhappy, the judgment is doing something. It is the clarion call, the deadline call that you are hearing, and you are trying to make improvements in your mentality, in your physical life. So many of you will be adjusting, adapting to new situations, because a new idea, new opportunity, new passion is developing, and you are ready to move on or take a trip, take a walk away from the things that disappoint you. So as you go forward in the next 10 days, I am seeing the moon and the chariot. So there are some conflicts here. There is a situation of uncertainty, but angels are saying, if you make up your mind, if you decide to move with a certainty or willpower, you will be able to move from darkness or shadow. So basically you will be either dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer here, or you will be making a way away from the energies that darken your spirits, that shadow your surroundings, that don't give you clarity, and you will be walking ahead towards a focused goal. That is what I am seeing. So in terms of your jobs, in terms of your love relationship, in terms of your marriage, in terms of your relationships of some kind, you will be having a decisive adjustment, decisive uh, you know thinking at this time to change your situation. So a change is happening for the better. Change is happening for the better, because Six of Pentacles is coming in. So balance of things are happening. If you were working too hard, if you were paying, or if you were taking responsibility of others, right now it is the time that you will start receiving reciprocation in terms of money, in terms of feelings from others. So Nine of Pentacles is in the reverse. So what's happening is, your middle of the reading card is this is center of the whole situation. This means that you are suddenly reminded of your self-worth. You are suddenly reminded that whether you are paid enough for your job, whether you are just working and working and working, and you are not getting enough compensation, whether you are doing too much, you are trying to balance in a situation of money coming in, money going out, taking lot of pressure in a situation, and your life is going by in extreme work, and you are not able to enjoy your situation. So that kind of feeling will come in at this time, in this time. So materialism has to be curtailed. Materialism, or thinking of making more wealth creation, more money, more power, all these things are in the fore, and you are thinking about it. So for some of you, what's happening is lovers is coming in the reverse. So the Gemini is feeling a bit self-centered at this time. The Gemini is wanting to look at themselves. Gemini is wanting to balance a situation that has become disbalanced or is in disharmony. For many of you, love is in disharmony, relationship is in disharmony. The situation, maybe some of you wanted to start something new, the new offer is not happening, it is in a disbalance. Angels are saying that it is time to let go of things that are burdening you, let go of things that are pressuring you at this time. So what's happening is there is going to be work happening, hard work happening, there is going to be creation of wealth happening, which is at the level of obsession for you. So for many of you, you are in an obsessive state of wealth creation, obsessive situation of thinking about money, thinking about your power, thinking about a long-term situation, thinking about making a house, thinking about acquiring assets. Angels are saying don't get confused in this situation, because time has come that you bring in harmony in your life, because the time is telling you that even if there is a challenge, even if you are getting victory in all circumstances, even if you are getting applause, accolade, you are not perfectly happy at this time. Happiness will only come if you walk away, or if you balance the situation of giving, if you balance the situation of reciprocation in your life, if you balance the situation of extreme work. So extreme work is happening, confusion of some kind is happening regarding picking up of the right things or prioritizing the things in your life. So angels are saying that it's high time that the cycle is realized, that it is ending. For many of you, a burdensome situation has been pressuring you, giving you rejections, giving you feeling of not being loved, not being acknowledged. All these situations can be left, you can let go of it, because in terms of love or relationship, you are going through a bad patch. In terms of work, what's happening is you are doing too much work and you are forgetting about family. So wealth creation, or too much responsibility on yourself is crushing your emotions at this time. So you have to think properly, prioritize your energies. So angels are saying that it is time for restoration, the outcome is restoration. However struggling it may be, you will be winning in the end. You will be able to establish yourself, create your self-worth through by morality and ethics. You will be committing to a situation which could be struggling, but which could restore your situation. So the two of swords here is telling me that you will be conflicted for some time in this period. You will be in two minds, you will be stuck between two big forces at this time. So you will have to decide. I am seeing that people around you will rally around you to support you. A major accomplishment can take place at this time. So don't be in this indecisive state of feeling stuck, because you need to let go of something, because the new is coming in, the new passion, new idea, new innovation, new situation is growing slowly. So This could be a stroke of genius as well for many of you, wherein you will find something which will totally change your situation. So angels are saying work will happen for a new idea, work will happen for a new startup. Many of you will take up, you will think of creating your self-worth. So what will happen is many of you will take up a training or some kind of work that will give you practice, that will give you some worthiness, and you are going to create that. Nine of Cups will be achieved by you after a situation of Four of Cups. So Four of Cups is apathy, boredom, feeling crushed, feeling disenchanted, but it is going to change as the time goes by. You are going to take up something which is, about showing your craft, about learning new things, rebuilding your life, rebuilding relationships. And Nine of Cups will be gotten. Nine of Cups, you will find Nine of Cups is happiness, liberation, indulgence, or self-focus, and getting wish fulfillment in this situation. The star is telling me that be hopeful. The stars will guide you towards your path. You will let go of things and make your independent decisions at this time to upgrade your situation, and situation is going to look very, very hopeful. Don't get derailed by Five of Wands. This is competition, this is arguments, this is obstacle, small obstacle, day-to-day challenges on your path, which is something you can think about, which is something angels are saying you should find a new perspective to deal with them. So your restoration is definite. So Geminis, I wish you all the best. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who want personal reading and people who are really going through issues in their life can contact me for a personal reading, face-to-face online consultation. These are valuable readings, so you have to pay for these readings. These are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. So come in towards me with proper intent. I don't want people coming in to just to time pass or entertain themselves. People who are really in trouble or can't figure out their path, they should come to me, because the time that I give is very valuable, and there are a lot of people who require my assistance, and people who are watching me who come back to my channel again and again. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. That's the only way you can help me to maintain this channel, and I feel encouraged if you subscribe and if you like my readings, and that pushes the reading into circulation and makes it popular. So thank you so much. Bye bye.